Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Milk is a full food because it has mostly all the ingredients which are essential for our body. This way you can see our small children, they take it from their birth. So just only milk, that becomes the complete food for them. So this way we request Allah, while taking milk as a food, so Allah increase the blessings of him in it and increase the quantity and quality of this one for us. So we request Allah in a dua, inshallah, these blessings will be more in future. So we have to request in the following word while taking the milk for drinking. Allahumma baarik lana feehi zidna minhu. 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 So when small children, they are also taking milk, that time you read Allahumma baarik lana feehi zidna minhu. Inshallah, the small children will get more quantity with the blessings of Allah. So this food will fulfill all the needs of the children body, inshallah. Allahumma, O Allah, baarik lana. So make it for us blessings, barakah. Make this mean the milk for us blessings, the barakah. Feehi in it. So in milk, please make for us this milk as a barakah. It means blessings. It should fulfill all the needs of our body. So alhamdulillah. Zidna minhu, and increase it in future for us. So inshallah you will get more milk in future. So with the blessings of Allah and the ingredients in the milk, they will cover mostly all the deficiencies of your body. So inshallah the bones will be strong and you will get the vitamins and other minerals from the milk. So the whole body will take it and become strong and powerful. So Allah gave us tawfiq to read this dua and to request Allah with heart and soul so that we can get the benefit of it, inshallah. Ameen.